4x minus 2y equals minus 10. And so what we want to do is we want to put this into that formula, y equals mx plus c, so we can find out the gradient, so we can find out what m would be, whether it's plus or whether it's minus, and we can also find out the intercept if we want to, although we don't have to.
But make it clearly a c. It's like 6.
Oh, sorry, that is, yeah, y equals mx plus c, sorry. Where's
Messenger.
yeah, so sorry, I'll write that equation again. So we want to make this equation into this formula, y equals mx plus c. So here we can do that by rearranging this equation here. So I'll write this equation out again. It's 4x minus 2y equals minus 10. So to rearrange this equation, we want to put x over on this side. So we can do that. If we take something, a positive figure on this side of the equation, put on this side of the equation, it becomes a negative figure, because the opposite of plus is minus, and the opposite, and so it's the same with multiplying. The opposite of multiplying is dividing. So if we put 4x over this side, we're left with 2y equals, it has to be minus 4x now because we've put it on this side of the equation, minus 10. And then, so we need to get rid of this y, need to get rid of this minus 2 here. So we need to divide both of these by minus 2, which gives us y equals minus 4 divided by minus 2. So minus 2 goes into minus 4 twice. So 2x minus, oh, so that'll become a plus. So minus 10. Minus 2 goes into minus 10 5 times, so it's plus 5. So y equals 2x plus 5 is this equation rearranged. So then we go back to ask which one is the slope and which one is the intercept. Your question here doesn't ask you which one is the intercept, but we can work it out. It's going a step further. So here the slope would be a positive gradient because it's plus 2 we've got here. So the line will be increasing from left to right. It will look like that. And it will intercept the y-axis at plus 5 if we were to draw the graph like we did before. Okay? So yeah, so what you need to do is you need to practice rearranging these equations. I'll rearrange one more for you now, because if that was a little bit difficult to understand, we'll just do another one. So 6x.
So this one gives, what was that? What's this GED again? ABCD.
Well, okay, so what we've worked out here, so an increasing line from left to right. So as we've worked out here, because it's plus 2, if that was a minus 2, it would be a decreasing line from left to right. But in this case, it's a positive number, so it's an increasing line from left to right. So the answer in this case would be A.
Okay.
Okay. So if we rearrange this next equation, the next one below it, so 3x plus 6y equals 24. We need to rearrange it to suit this again. So y equals mx plus c. So we need to put this 3x over on this side of the equation. So if we do that, we take that, which is positive plus 3x. If we put it over here, it becomes minus 3x. So hang on, I'll write it. 3x plus 6y equals 24. So we want to put the plus 3x over on this side of the equation.
6.
So we're left with 6y equals minus 3x plus 24. Okay, so we just took the 3 plus positive 3x and put it on this side, so it becomes negative 3x. Okay, now we need to, we've got, this is 6 times y, so 6y is the same as saying 6 times y equals minus 3x plus 24. So when it's 6 times y, we have to put it on this side of the equation, we need to divide it. Okay, so we need to divide both these numbers by 6. So to give us the answer for y, we go y equals 3 or negative 3 divided by 6. So it's negative 3 on 6 x plus 24 divided by 6. So 6 goes into 24, 6, 12, 18, 24, 4 times. So it's plus 4. So what we've got here, now we've got a negative number, negative 3 on 6x. So the gradient in this case will be negative. Okay, that number is negative. So it will be decreasing from left to right. And if we were to plot this graph, we would find that it would intercept the y-axis at plus 4. So it's all about rearranging equations. And then and here you've also got, it asks you, so when is the line horizontal and when is the line vertical? So that's basically these numbers, x equals 9, y equals 7, will give you the vertical or horizontal lines.
How do you do that?
Well, so we get to
So plotting this would in here would make decreasing, increasing.
So a graph at x equals 9 would be a horizontal line going like that across at x equals 9. Oh, hang on. That's y equals 9. So no, so y equals 7, say, that will be a horizontal line there at y, going through y equals 7, I think. And x equals 9 will be a vertical line at x equals 9, okay? So if it's x equals a number, the line will be vertical, and if it's y equals a number, the line will be horizontal, because we don't have any values. So if y is 7, we don't have any values for x, so the line can't be going up or down. So it's just a flat line. Okay?
Okay.
So they're very simple. So a horizontal line, we look for y equals something, and a vertical line, we look for x equals a number. So like that one there, x equals 9.